Welcome back. So for today's lingerie review is this hot pink, tiny, small thong panty that is very nice in color, hot pink. If you're interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been in department store here in our area and I saw this very tiny thong panty which is in hot pink in color. So I just got this from a department store, very affordable. It's just like a 65 pesos. And look at that, very nice and very pretty tiny lingerie. So we're going to remove the tag. So this is the front detail of the tiny lingerie that we bought. It has a ribbon or a bow in front. And look at the polka dot or dots design in a lining. Very cute and very pretty, very feminine design and very feminine color. So it's just a plain hot pink in front and its cloth is just like a silky but very affordable fabric. Look at that, very pretty. It is a thong and it's G-string, guys. That is very sexy and very comfortable to wear. That's the overall design of the front. Very nice panty. So in the private area, it has a double cloth which is cotton that is very essential sa ating private parts, mga girls. Though it is only 65 pesos, guys, but the look and the appearance of the lingerie is very good quality. And look at that. I think this is so very comfortable to wear. This is so tiny, but I think really good to wear, guys. And look at that, very pretty back design. And it also has a polka dot lining at the back and very tiny. No, it's a thong. Very nice and good quality. Gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. The colors very feminine, very nice, guys. And the garter, yeah, very nice and stretchy and very affordable too. That is what I'm talking about, na hindi lahat ng mga affordable is low quality. Meron din naman tayong mahahanap ng mga mumurahin that is very good and nice quality, mga guys. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin for this review. Antabayanan niyo po ako sa aking another lingerie reviews, guys. Don't forget to comment your thoughts about our new lingerie and of course comment down below kung gusto niyo pa rin ng mga ganitong lingeries. Thank you so much and don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel. See you!